General Appropriations Act of 2026 na hindi lang basta-basta pinirmahan, kung hindi isinuri, inupuan, at pinag-aralan ng mabuti. And so we thank our colleagues in Congress and the Office of the President and the DBM for their sleepless nights during the break, helping the President comb through every line, every provision of the budget. Because this is what the Filipino people deserve, a budget that is rigorously reviewed and not rushed. I also commend Congress for the meaningful reforms it pursued to strengthen transparency and accountability in the budget process. Unti-unti nating ibinalik ang proseso ng budget sa dapat itong anyo, bukas at tapat sa publiko. We also thank our lawmakers for the close, constructive work they did with the executive to deliver a budget that puts the Filipino people at the center of growth. Ito ang budget natin, budget ng bawat Pilipino. For this budget represents an unprecedented investment in the Filipino people. Education, healthcare, agriculture, and social services are at their highest levels in history. It is investing where it matters most, in the classrooms, in the health centers, in the farms, in our communities, and in the future of Filipinos. It also strengthens national-local cooperation so that development reaches every province, every city, every municipality, every barangay. At pinagtibay rin nito ang ating pangako sa kapakanan ng ating mga kawal, pulis at uniformadong hanay na araw-araw naglilingkod at nagbubuwis ng kanilang buhay para sa bayan. Yet the signing of this budget is only the beginning. Its true test is in its implementation. At dito na papasok ang ehekutibo. Kaya ang pangako namin ay simple. Sisiguraduhin namin totoong makikinabang ang taong bayan dito. We built a budget that is clean, disciplined, and responsive. And we will implement it with integrity, constant vigilance, and sense of urgency.